So folks, John here from Dad and Mad. This is going to be an unboxing of our new toy, which is the Insta 360-1R Twin Edition. I've had fun with it so far. I'm by no means an expert. This is just what I've found from a consumer's point of view, what's in the box, what you can expect. The footage that you'll see later on is just a little snippet of sort of showcasing what edits you can do and what can be done with the editing software. So I hope you find it useful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. So without further ado, let's get with the unboxing.
This is Dad and Mad on YouTube.
Stay tuned. Check this out.
3,
Yep.
2, 1, go!
So there you go, Insta 360-1R. Let's open the box up. That's how it looks initially. I've took all the protective wrappings off already. I've had a quick peek inside. I figure nobody wants to watch me to peel off a protective coating off the lens. So here you've got your 4K wide angle lens, and you've got the screen, so you can have it the traditional way, or you can flip it around. You can have it in sort of a selfie mode. That's pretty sweet. So for now we'll just switch it back to the regular mode. You've got your dual lens 360. That's pretty snazzy, pretty fragile. I'll put that back in there for now. And you've got your battery. So that just pops on there. Now, something I've noticed, I don't know if it'll pick up on the camera here, but you can see a gap here, which concerned me slightly to say that they claim it's waterproof. I found out afterwards that it's only waterproof with the frame around it, which I'll show you just now. So you also get this box here. I'll show you what's inside now. So there you go. You got your threaded mount for your bottom of there, which is also useful because I don't think I have one of those for the GoPro, so that's pretty cool. You got your protective lens for your 360. I like to put it in that way so it protects the connections. You got your charging cable. You got your instructions and whatnot. You got a cleaning cloth, which is pretty cool to have, and you got a few stickers. Who doesn't like free stickers, eh? So let's have a look at it with the 360 camera attached. That's with the 360 lens attached. Let's pop it in the case. So the case has got a little latch there. You got the power button. You got the capture button. Much similar to other frames that you can see that you've seen. Let's turn that around. So this is when it's waterproof, and I'm guessing that just creates that, just seals that in a little more, those seals around the connections on the battery and stuff. I'm guessing it just forms that seal even more so. And the good thing about this is it pops on there even with the case on, so it's I think that's very cool. I like that a lot. So let's swap these over. There's a little catch here. As you can see, there's the battery and the seals. On the side here, you've got your little catch here for the SD card and the charging point, and that's got a little rubber seal on it. Make sure that's pushed back in right. There you go. So that's what's in the standard box. Let's have a look what else I bought, which is this. The selfie stick, invisible selfie stick. You can feel the quality is good quality. It extends quite a bit. sure there's another one. Yeah, there you go. There's the other one. Pretty long. And not only have we got that, we've also got this. I forget the proper name for this. It's the waist belt. So you attach it to your waist. You can adjust it using this. You can lock it out. Lock it out behind you. You can lock it out further closer to you. And then you attach this. And it's how you get those sort of, it looks like you've got a drone floating above your head. It's a pretty cool effect. And that's what I'm going to try out on my commute to work to try and show you how this looks. But I've tried it on, it feels pretty good. It wobbles around. I walked up and down the garden, it wobbled around a bit, which I was concerned about. The other thing that you don't need to worry about is what angle this is at. You know, you don't have to worry about it being on the tilt. It's fine. It automatically adjusts the horizon, I believe, from what I've seen so far. It's got gimbal-like stabilization, which is good. So it doesn't matter what angle it's at. It doesn't matter whether it's, you know, whether it's going to be twisted when it's on my back or not. You just put it on, turn it on, let it go. And I'm going to test it out on the commute just to see how it looks. And I'll show you that now. Small point to add, things I've found since using the camera is calibrate the camera before you start, because the first day I used it I found the footage really difficult to edit. As I was turning the corner on the bike, the camera would sort of spin around and flip. So I got home, found that I needed to calibrate the camera. I don't think that's in the quick start guide or anything like that. It's not clear that that needs doing straight off the bat, so that would be my advice if you're getting one, is make sure you calibrate it before you even start. Other things I've found is I strapped it to my sissy bar originally, cable tied it to the sissy bar. Found that okay, angle wise, but it dented the telescopic arm only slightly. But if I keep doing that with the vibration and it bouncing against the metal sissy bar, I don't want it to dent so much that it won't retract back into the arm, so I'm doing away with that and just going with the traditional weight strap. The other thing I found, make sure that stuff is locked up tight. Make sure that this is locked straight, tight onto the top of there. Make sure you adjust this with the screwdriver to make sure that that's tight, because the first day I used it, this tilted backwards with the wind, so make sure that's tight and good and proper. And this also came loose over about 8 or 9 miles, came a little loose. Also make sure that these are locked in well, make sure they're locked in real good, because that retracted itself while I was riding on the first ride also. So just make sure it's all locked up good, and maybe take it for a test run before you even start like I did. I hope that helps. So there you go, folks. I found it pretty easy to use so far. You've also got the app for your phone and the software for your computer for editing. So far I've found it easier to edit in the iPad, save the files and put them on my laptop, put that into my normal footage. So that's what I've done with this. It's very intuitive, the editing suite for the iPad and for the iPhone. The thing I like a lot about it is you can point to track, so you can, in editing, you can click on a object or another bike passing you, anything like that, and it will automatically track it through the frame, through the selected frame that you've chosen. So that is a feature that's very good, very cool. So yeah, I'm still finding my feet with the editing suite, but so far I found it very useful, very intuitive. So hopefully you found this informative, hopefully you found it useful. I think it's well worth the money. I think it's a great looking camera. I think it works really well. Obviously I haven't used it for any length of time yet, so time will tell how it holds up. But I'm very much looking forward to using it on big events with Mad. Hopefully it'll catch some cool shots of me and Mad on the bike, and catch some great shots of group rides without missing a thing. So that's the whole reason I bought it for. That was for, our rides with Sports of Sickness and group rides, charity events, ride to the wall, that kind of thing. So yeah, really looking forward to using it, really looking forward to getting my teeth into it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Take care, see you soon. Ta-ra a bit.